Have you ever searched a website only to find out that it's blocked? There are various reasons this might happen. For example, you might be at work or school, or maybe the site is blocked in the entire country or region. Whatever the reason, if you want to access blocked websites on Android, then I can help you with this. In this guide, I will show you how to open blocked sites on Android without using VPN. So let's begin. Tor is a private browser that hides your activity on the internet. You can use Tor browser to browse websites that cannot be accessed from usual browsers like Chrome or Firefox. Once it is installed, open the app. Tap on Connect. In the search bar, type the website name which you want to access. If the site does not appear in the search result, change the country, and turn off Safe Search. Remember, Tor browser works slower, so make sure you have good internet speed to use it. Cloudflare's DNS app can also help you bypass restrictions on any website for free. Turn the toggle on to connect your Android device to Cloudflare DNS. Cloudflare is not a traditional VPN app, but it uses VPN technology to encrypt your data. So, using this app, you can't hide your true location, but still you can access blocked websites on your Android device. Now you can freely access all blocked websites on your Android device. There are a lot of free proxy browsers available on the Play Store. These browsers function just like your normal browser, but they enhance your privacy by using proxy servers. Here, simply enter the URL of the blocked website that you want to access. Orbot is a proxy app, which is based on Tor. It is open source, and completely free of ads. Press on Start. Then, toggle on the VPN mode. Finally, select the browser from which you want to open the blocked sites. Now you can open the site from your selected browser.